G here from OG Creations. I have many tie-dyeing brothers and sisters who have these insane sinew tying methods, but they end in gorgeous results.
You're gorgeous. You're literally gorgeous.
Now the longest that I've ever spent tying up a shirt is about 4 hours.
How dare you!
You see Insta posts where they're spending 8 to 10 hours per shirt tying these things up. And that's not even including the dyeing method. That's another 4 to 6 hours for them. Crazy. Seeing these posts made me want to play with my sinew.
You what?
So I pull it out
You what?
in a couple of white shirts and started tying away. It just so happened to be around the same time that my hubby was having a couple of procedures at the dermatologist. And he was going to need some comfy shirts to wear during recovery. So he requested pinks and purples, and I thought, let's go for it. You will see that the end result of one of these is awesome. This Rorschach pattern that reminds me of a demented shrunken head with its mouth sewn shut.
This is a message for parents. Have you had the shrunken heads talk with your child? Do you want your son or daughter to learn about shrunken heads from their friends, or worse, the media?
I love it. The second shirt, well, not so much.
This is all wrong.
Placement is everything. And on this shirt, it definitely would have been an attention seeker, just not in the good way.
Tits.
So this week, we're getting creative with sinew, laughing our asses off
An ass.
with our mistakes, and then getting even more creative to repair those mistakes.
You know, we don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
Let's get started. I start with a white 100% cotton men's tee that has been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes and then spun until damp. Holding both sleeves in one hand, I work the shirt inside out. I work to match the hems and the seams of the neck and the sleeve. I then smooth out all the wrinkles. Folding back the front of the shirt, I make my first gather of fabric in the center of the back and secure that with sinew. I start creating small gathers of the fabric and wrapping the sinew around it multiple times. I move down a little bit and secure again, and I do this for the entire shirt. And be prepared that it will definitely take some time, especially if you're doing 2 shirts like I am here. dye rack, I started applying Procyon dyes in the shades of Sweet Pea, Peony, Orchid, Imperial Purple, Grape, and Lilac. I set both shirts aside and let them cure for 24 hours in a warmer space, somewhere about 68 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I rinsed them in cold water and then slowly increased the temperature to hot. They are then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. So this first shirt is beautiful. Like I said in the intro, it totally reminds me of a shrunken head. The other shirt? Well, just look for yourself.
You're all looking at my tits now, aren't you?
We have to repair this one. Another 25 minutes in a soda ash bath and spun in the wash, and then it's crumpled up on my dye rack. Imperial purple and Orchid dry dye powders are applied, and then a layer of soda ash and ice. It was set aside to cure for 48 hours in that warmer space, again 68 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Like before, it was rinsed in cold water, then hot water, and then in the laundry for the cold cycle and a hot cycle. Now that's much better. In the end, they're both extremely colorful and fun to make. Just another example of why I love tie-dye as an artistic medium. You seriously have no clue what you're going to end up with every single shirt you make. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. I love responding to everyone. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next week.